Welcome to JavaScript Basics.
JavaScript is a powerful programming language used to make websites interactive and dynamic. If we're just starting out, understanding its core concepts will help you build web pages and applications that respond to user actions, update content in real time, and create engaging experiences. Let's explore the essentials that every new programmer should know.
What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a scripting language primarily used in web development. It runs in your browser and allows developers to control how web pages behave. Unlike HTML and CSS, which structure and style web content, JavaScript lets you create interactive features like buttons, forms, animations, and much more.
Variables and data types.
At the heart of any programming language are variables and data types. Variables store information, such as numbers, text, or true-false values. In JavaScript, you declare variables using let, const, or var. Common data types include numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, and objects. Learning how to use these will help you manage data in your projects.
Functions and events.
Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific actions. In JavaScript, you define a function and then call it when needed. Events are actions performed by users, like clicking a button or submitting a form. JavaScript lets you write code that responds to these events, making your web pages interactive and user-friendly.
Working with the DOM.
The Document Object Model, or DOM, is a representation of your web page that JavaScript can access and modify. This allows you to dynamically update content, change styles, or create elements on the fly. Understanding how to select and manipulate DOM elements is crucial to creating interactive web applications.
Getting started on your JavaScript journey.
Starting with JavaScript Basics opens up a world of possibilities in web development. Practice writing code, build small projects, and explore resources like online tutorials. As you advance, you'll gain the confidence to tackle more complex interactive features and become a skilled web programmer.